Jai Shri Radhe, Progressive, Shorthand Passages, Legal, Exercise 7, page number 15. Dictation, start. Column speaks of the extent of percentage of exemption from tax. The fourth column provides for the maximum exemption in terms of percentage of FCI, and the fifth and the last column provides the maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax prior to issuance of notification. Annexure C was primarily confined to new units. After the introduction of notification, the exclusion is made to the expression new units by specifically including certain type of industrial units by inserting items 1A to 1F. Item 1E especially talks of new cement units except in tribal subplan area. The extent of percentage of exemption from tax under item 1E depends on the type of unit or the industry. Para. If it is a small scale unit, the extent of exemption is 75%. If it is a medium scale, the extent of exemption is 50%, and if it is large scale unit, the extent of percentage of exemption from tax is 25%. The maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax is restricted to 7 years. Item 4 speaks of new units producing pollution control equipment, pioneering units, and prestigious units. The extent of the percentage of exemption from tax is 75% of total liability, and the maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax is 9 years from the date of commercial production. Item 5 relates to new very prestigious units other than cement units except in tribal subplan area, and the total percentage of exemption from tax is 90% of total tax liability, and the maximum time limit for availing exemption from tax is 11 years. Reverting to state the facts, the respondent SSC had applied to the state level screening committee for claiming benefit of exemption at 75% under the scheme. The committee rejected the claim of the respondent SSC and observed that since the respondent SSC is a large scale unit covered under the specific provision of item 1E of Annexure C, it is entitled to 25 exemption by its order. Being aggrieved by the said order, the respondent SSC filed appeal before Rajasthan Tax Board, Ajmer, in respect of the calculation of eligible FCI as well as the exemption under the scheme. Full stop. The board, while remaining the matter to the state level screening committee, held that the respondent SSC is entitled to 75% tax exemption by holding the respondent unit as prestigious unit under the scheme under the rule framed. Full stop. Thank you.